Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down. You can add or remove a Google account using either passwords and accounts or Google. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got this account section. We've got one account currently added, but no worries, we can add more. So let's start with adding the account just by tapping on this option and then tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next after entering. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let me show it to you again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.